Tools such as spot healing and clone stamp can be used in conjunction with blending modes to lighten and enhance shadows on the face. Now, take a look at the dark shadows under her eyes. If we want to lighten those and remove those, we can use the clone stamp tool on the lighten blending mode. So go up to the top of the screen, see where it says mode lighten. Have lighten selected, and then you can clone stamp the area around her eye. And with lighten mode, you can lighten that part of her eye. I reduced the opacity on this layer a whole lot to get it to blend and look more natural. So that is before with the dark shadows under her eye and after. Again, we just use the clone stamp tool on the lighten blending mode to get that result. Now we can also use spot healing on lighten blending mode. This time I'm going to change the blending mode on my actual layer from normal to lighten. Your blending modes are located at the top of your layers palette. If you have a layer selected, then you just select the corresponding blending mode, and that blending mode will apply to that layer. So I'm on the spot healing tool. I'm going to zoom in. I have sample all layers selected, and I'm holding down the space bar to navigate around my picture. There we go. I'm going to shrink my brush down. Just going to draw a line over this crease that goes from the nose to the corner of her mouth. And it'll take a moment for the computer to render that. You never want to see any areas of your Photoshop work that look blurry or strange. So sometimes we get a little bit of a weird line like this, just the nature of the spot healing tool. It's not going to be perfect every time. Often though, lowering the opacity can hide that little bit of imperfection. And then we can just go over it, and let's zoom out and see the before and after. Before, see how dark that line was?